Welcome to a guide to reading filters or subscription filters on Dreamwidth.org. Reading filters or subscription filters are a way to display only certain accounts or entries on your reading page. You might choose to do this because you have some accounts that you want to read at work versus at home, to focus on different hobbies or interests. They're also a great way to catch up if you've been away from your computer for a while. People use them in a wide variety of ways, so explore a little bit and see what works for you. To look at reading filters, let's take a look at my reading page. You can see here I've turned on the navigation strip in the display settings. And when I look at the options in this reading page, I can see that I can look at all subscriptions, journals, communities, or feeds. These are automatic options that Dreamwidth provides. Or that there's an option for authors, which is a filter I created. To set up a new filter, you want to go to Settings. You can get to the settings from any site page that shows these menus: Create, Organize, Read, so on. Go to Organize and then to Manage Filters, and you'll be taken to a page that will let you make changes. You can edit an existing filter, or you can create a new one. Here I'm going to create a filter called Dreamwidth that is going to focus on some accounts related to the site itself. Once I create the filter, it's going to give me some new choices. I can change which filter I'm editing, delete it, rename it, or create a new one. And then it's going to tell me who's not in the filter and who is. In this case, I can add a new account to the filter by clicking on it and clicking Add. And you'll see that it will save 5 seconds after I make a change, so it will save automatically. I can also use Control, Shift, or the Open Apple key, depending on my operating system, to select multiple entries at the same time. So here I'm adding everybody at once. If you have a very, very long list, you might wish to use this All Types filter. This will show you on your list just communities or people, so that it's easier to browse through and see who you want to add. You can also, if you have a paid account, add some additional settings and tools. These options are not available for free accounts. Once you're done editing your filters, you can go back to your reading page. And you will see the new filters show up in the menu. When I select Dreamwidth, it will show me the accounts that I've just added. So instead of seeing everything on my list, I now see just the Dreamwidth accounts. If you have any additional questions, a good place to start is the FAQ. You can find this under the Relationships category. It will tell you about some different kinds of code you can use to access different types of accounts. It explains subscription filters, as I've just done. It tells you a little bit more about the paid account tools and additional options. And it tells you one last option. If you create a filter named Default with a capital D, that will be the option that shows up when you first load your reading page. Only you can see the items that are in this filter. Nobody else can see who you've selected for that filter. Everyone else will see the unfiltered version of your reading page. And if you want to see all subscriptions on your reading page, you'd need to select all subscriptions from the filter options. If you need more help, you can check out the FAQ categories, or you can get more help in the support area. Thanks, and have a great day.